Everyone, myself Harbhajan Singh Bhatia, the team leader of GAIAGRID. Let me take you to the working demonstration of our project. So let me execute our program. Just a second. So yeah, here we go. Our program is executed and it is currently running on localhost 8501. It may take some time to fetch the data and to load the visuals. So here we go. As you can see, this is our dashboard and interface. It is currently fetching the data from different states and it may take some time. So till that, I will tell you about our project. Imagine if India had a live sustainability pulse, a single platform that could show in real time how healthy every state is, from air quality to NGO activity, from temperature to policy impact. What if all these factors came together into one intelligent system? That's exactly what our project, GAIAGRID, the India's Tech Diagnostic. We are Team GAIAGRID, and our goal is simple: to make sustainability measurable, actionable, and predictable for every state in India. So while our system is fetching real-time data from Open Weather and NGO Darpan, let me tell you what makes it powerful. GAIAGRID unifies three data levels: NGO density, air quality index, and climate comfort, and uses AI to calculate a live sustainability score for each state. Once the data load, you will see India's overall sustainability, health, top performing state, and even AI generated policy recommendation. It's not just a dashboard, it's a national level sustainability intelligence system. So let it complete. So finally our data is loaded. So right here is the national sustainability score. India currently stand at 45.1, showing there's a massive room for improvement. This score is derived from three life factors: angiodensity, air quality index, and temperature. Below you can see the top 10 performing states led by Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh, with Maharashtra ranking the highest due to its NGO network and better air balance. So here is the bar chart. Each bar represents how the state contributes to the national sustainability grid. So below we have an interactive map in which every bubble is a state capital and the bubble size represent or reflect the number of active NGOs. The greener the bubble, the healthier the sustainability. So for example, right now you can see Uttar Pradesh currently working NGOs 59,761 and a score of 55.3. So Rajasthan currently having 25,326 NGOs and a score of 54.9. So next we have a correlation, so which will lead to our impact layer, which is NGO count versus air quality index. So our impact layer shows how these factors interrelate. You can see NGO count correlates positively with sustainability and AQI inversely, meaning cleaner air is equals to higher score. This proves that NGO presence genuinely impacts state level sustainability metrics. For example, here we can see Gujarat have an AQI index of 5 and its NGO count. So we have to work on these particular states so that we can make a better air quality index at those level. So next we have our data export, in which we have two features, that if we can export raw data. So I will show you. So this is our raw data. It will look like something like this: states, NGO count, its latitudinal and longitudinal position, temperature, air quality index, temperature forecast, and minimum. And this is our process data, which will include the same but normalization of NGOs, air quality index, temperature score, and many more for our machine learning model. So on the next step, we have our AI insight. Here we can select any state. For example, let us take Arunachal Pradesh and generate AI-driven sustainability recommendation instantly. So here are four suggestions or actionable recommendations so that we can enhance our Arunachal Pradesh in particular and make them a sustainable state. So next we have state comparison. So we in this feature we can compare two states. For example, let us take Andaman Nicobar and Andhra Pradesh. So as we click on compare states, it will give us the result instantly. So here you can see the overview, key differences between both states, their strength and their weaknesses, and along with the recommendation for the weaker state. After this, we have our radar benchmark. It usually compares a state performance against national average on the dimensions which are NGO density, its scores, temperature, and AQI inverse. So this is the national average of our which Andaman and Nicobar, and this is currently performance of Andaman and Nicobar. So this is radar and benchmark. Here you can see the changes which is reflected in the above benchmark. After this, we have a NGO collaboration insights, which will generate a NGO collaboration features, which uses AI to suggest how weaker state can partner with stronger ones or collaborate, forming a connected ecosystem of social impact. So, for example, this here is state pairs for coordination. Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. These two states have highest number of NGOs and can collaborate on joint projects such as environmental conservation or education initiative. Maharashtra's high sustainability score can also help build capacity in Uttar Pradesh. So these are the recommendations. After this, we have our question and answer feature. In this, you can ask any question to our AI. For example, which state need urgent air quality index interventions? So this is our question. We will press enter and it will generate our response. So here is the response. Based on provided data, the states with lowest AQI scores are in dire need of urgent intervention. So, first one, targeted funding. Allocate additional fund to low 5 states, which are Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Meghalaya, Sikkim, and Mizoram. After that, we have technical assistance and priority policy reforms. So, these are the features in which you can ask question to our AI. After this, we have our simulation part. So this feature makes GAIAGRID a predictive simulation engine and make it different from others. Suppose we simulate a scenario increasing NGO by 20%, okay, and reducing air quality index by 10%. Okay, so now we can run our simulation and we can see the actual score or the change, that is 4.26. So currently the score is 87.08. So after simulation it will change if we are able to perform this changes in the particular cities or whole country. So here are two modes which you can apply to whole country, or you can select particular state wise. So the choice is your on which way you want to go. After this, we have our report, and the main part is the simulation. That's not theory. It's real-time data modeling that can guide actual policy decision. So finally, GAIAGRID automatically generates a complete policy report, including visuals, AI insight, and sustainability. So we can generate a policy report, which will be obviously in PDF form. So our vision is to make GAIAGRID India's sustainability pulse, a live AI-powered system connecting policy, people, and planet. That's GAIAGRID. So let me show you the report. How we gonna make it? It may take 10 to 15 minutes more. So yeah, our policy report is generated. Now we can easily download it. So here is the policy report. Let me open it. So yeah, this is the timestamp currently, and this is the sustainability score. After this, we have our visuals, then our correlation, then we have our state capitals, which will lead to these are the top 10 states performance. After this, we have our AI summary, suggestion, and many more things. So yeah, that was GAIAGRID, India's AI-powered sustainability diagnostic system. Our platform doesn't just display data; it interprets, predicts, and recommends real actionable steps for every Indian state. From real-time environment tracking to AI-driven policy guidance to automate national reports, GAIA-GRID bridges the gap between data, government, and ground-level NGOs. Our vision is simple: to make India world first country with real-time sustainability brain. Thank you. We are GAIA-GRID, and this is how we are turning data into a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable India. Thank you.